You're watching The Beginner's Guide, powered by the Christmas Light Academy, the #1 employee training system for Christmas light businesses. Tired of wasting time training new hires? Now you don't have to. Give your team the tools they need to succeed without the headache. Click the link below to unlock a special offer available only here.
Ladders. You're going to be using them on almost every job, so knowing how to set them up and use them safely is one of the most important things you'll learn. A good setup makes your install easier, and most importantly, keeps you safe while working at heights. Picking the right ladder for the job. Not all ladders are the same, and different installs may require different types. Extension ladders are best for reaching taller roof lines. Make sure the top extends at least 3 feet past the roof edge for stability. Step ladders work well for lower installs, like porches and garages. Multi-position ladders are great for adjusting to different heights and working on uneven ground. Setting it up the right way. A poorly placed ladder is an accident waiting to happen. Here's how to do it right. Always set up on solid, level ground. If the surface is uneven, use ladder levelers. Follow the 4-to-1 rule. For every 4 feet of ladder height, move the base 1 foot away from the wall. Never lean your ladder against gutters. They're not designed to support weight. Instead, rest it against the fascia board or roof edge. If you're working on a slippery or uneven surface, a ladder stabilizer can help keep it steady. Climbing and working on a ladder. Keep 3 points of contact at all times, 2 feet and 1 hand, or 2 hands and 1 foot. Don't overreach. If your belt buckle goes past the ladder rails, it's time to climb down and reposition. Need tools? Use a tool belt or pull them up with a rope. Never climb with your hands full. Check the ladder's weight rating. This includes you and any tools you're carrying. Mistakes that can get you hurt. Isha. A lot of ladder accidents happen because of simple mistakes. Here are a few to avoid. Not inspecting the ladder before use. Loose bolts or worn-out feet can cause it to slip. Setting up on unstable ground. If the ladder wobbles, fix it before climbing. Overreaching. It's tempting to stretch just a little further, but that's how falls happen. Move the ladder instead. Forgetting to secure the top. If needed, tie it off to prevent shifting. Final thoughts. Ladders aren't complicated, but taking shortcuts can lead to serious injuries. Take your time, check your setup, and move safely. If something feels off, stop and fix it before continuing. All right, that's ladder safety covered. Next, we'll go over roof and house terminology, so you know the correct names for different parts of a home and how they relate to installation.